Shanoya Douglas, who won her season opener, was one of the standout performers at the 19th staging of the Tyser Mills Track and Field Classic held at G.C. Foster College recently. Denise Walters tells us more.
Shanoya Douglas hunting first-year Class 1 ISA Girls Champs Sprint Double Glory at Holland High after moving on from Mushet, won the women's 60 meters in 7.53 seconds ahead of Camperdown's Tricia Walker and Kerry-Ann Jarrett of Magotty. Intercal Sprint champion Foster won the men's equivalent in 6.73 seconds with Dequan Mirage and Holland's Johan Romalda Smythe finishing second and third, respectively. Jessina Williams, who posted the fastest time overall, captured the girls' Class 1 200 meters Heat 1 in 24.76 ahead of Homewood's pair of Abrina Wright and Britannia Bailey. Kristen Herbert of Homewood Technical took Heat 2, besting Heidel's Shamonique Hazel and teammate Rihanna Tyndale. Nastasia Fletcher and Shashonta Hemmings led a Heidel 1-2 in Heat 3, with Kiana Walker of St. Andrew High for girls rounding out the top three. Over in Class 2, Homewood's Anastasia Hall, 25.46, got the better of teammates Shade Allen and Heidel's Lashia Bigart in Heat 1. Martina Moxham of Vere won Heat 3 ahead of Nikayla Russell of Homewood and Xavier Bernard of Heidel. Fletcher did the 2-4 double as she won Heat 1 of the girls' Class 1 400 meters, clocking 56.58. She again bested Hemmings and Homewood's Kristen Herbert. Heidel's Alia Mullins led home teammate Janice Dunkley and Regina Bailey of Homewood in Heat 2. Homewood's pair of Florence Nafamba and Jovi Rose duked it out in the girls' Class 1 800 meters, with Nafamba prevailing in 2 minutes 17 and 50 seconds ahead of Rose, 2 minutes 17 and 84, with Heidel's Hemmings finishing third in 2 minutes 23 flat.
I have to just train hard and the results will say everything.
I did not do bad. I'm just going to continue to work harder to be successful.
Meanwhile, on the boys' side, Juna Gallimore of Heidel, 21.85, just pipped Homewood's Jaden Collins, 21.86 on the line in Heat 1 of the boys' 200 meters, with Dejon Grant of Jamaica College finishing third. JC's DeAndre Gale won Heat 2, with Homewood's Curtis Schaaf and Greater Portmore's Nathan Chambers finishing second and third, respectively. JC's Dante Watson posted 21.89 to win Heat 3 ahead of Geysil's Ajani Murray, who was second, and Magotty's Omaria Allen, who ended third. Cavell Nooks, who clocked 4 minutes 28.01 seconds, got the better of teammate Bevin Davey, and Calabar's Jalen Campbell in the boys' Class 2 1500 meters.
It is a meet which is growing, and we are getting a lot more support, especially in the sponsorship arena. More corporate entities are coming on board, and more schools and senior athletes are seeing it as the place to come and open their season.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.